thank you all for coming out this morning for a very exciting groundbreaking for St. Luke's. I'm Peter Thurine, President and CEO at St. Luke's. It seems like we've been working on this project for a long time, so it's an exciting day for me. I want to thank you for joining us. In particular, I want to thank St. Luke's board members and our St. Luke's staff, business leaders, and other people from the Sunnybrook business district here that will be your future neighbors. You've all been important in this project coming to fruition, so we thank you for your support, including also the broader Morningside residents that this facility will serve. We're very pleased to make our groundbreaking ceremony today for Sunnybrook Medical Plaza. We think it's going to be an important access point for healthcare, not only for this immediate community, but all of Sioux City and all of Siouxland. And we're very excited to be able to make that investment here in this part of Sioux City. It's going to meet, Sunnybrook Medical Plaza will meet the future demands of healthcare. Really, the future of healthcare is outpatient care. We've made a lot of investments at St. Luke's in our hospital campus, and we're proud of that. We'll be there to continue to serve residents from this area and residents that will be served at the outpatient plaza here. But really, the future is delivering efficient, effective, value-driven healthcare that will be outpatient in nature and be centered around the needs of patients and the healthcare providers that work there. So we're pleased to make this investment in that kind of future. Now, the person that's really been working on this from our staff and taking the lead that really has the good information about this is Chad Markham, our Vice President of Clinics and Network Development for St. Luke's, and I'm going to turn the mic over to Chad.
Thank you, Peter, and welcome again, everybody, on this beautiful day. Couldn't have been any better for this exciting celebration for St. Luke's. We look forward to serving the community with this new 86,000 square foot outpatient medical office building. Our vision is to provide a great outpatient care experience, easy access in a great and convenient location with world-class customer service. Peter alluded to this a little bit. We anticipate probably more than a 30% growth in outpatient services over the next 10 years. We believe the current facilities aren't really designed to match this demand. This facility will help us to meet the future demand of healthcare services in an outpatient setting. In the future, healthcare will require increased teamwork and communication between healthcare professionals. And we think we've solved for this new reality in healthcare by creating a format for primary care providers, specialty providers, and ancillary services all under one roof. Services that we anticipate at Sunnybrook Medical Plaza include a new primary care clinic with a mix of primary care providers and family practice that do OB. An urgent care clinic with day and evening hours, and this urgent care clinic will be supported by a hospital licensed lab and imaging center, as well as the St. Luke's Medical Center. An outpatient endoscopy center, lab services, imaging services with X-ray, MRI, CT, mammography, ultrasound, bone densitometry, and nuclear medicine. Infusion services, pharmacy services, not only to support some of those other functions that I talked about, endoscopy, infusion, and radiology, but also to support the primary care providers and their patients who are in complex medicine regimens, to help them understand and navigate some of the complexities associated with aging and being on many different medications. Maternal fetal medicine clinic for high-risk pregnancies, and other specialties such as pulmonary and cardiac care. St. Luke's is continuing with discussions with other independent groups and other specialty services, and we have some space left in the building for future development opportunities. After today's groundbreaking, construction on the new facility will start immediately. That's what my notes say, but of course, if we look behind us, it's already started. A 12-month construction period is expected, with the completion date in the summer of 2013. Once completed, the Sunnybrook Medical Plaza will be a two-story structure, as you can see behind me, with the central atrium running through the core. And all the conveniences and great medical care that you'd expect in a project of this nature from St. Luke's. I would also, along with Peter, like to thank our board and physician leaders for their vision and support for this project. I'd like to thank our development partners, Ergens Healthcare, construction team, subcontractors run by Klinger, and architects, local architects, Catamount Sprigger, and architects from Milwaukee, Epstein Ewan. They've all really brought their A-team to help out with this project, and we appreciate that. It's going great so far. I'd especially like to thank the staff, physicians and staff who do the day-to-day work and who are working out here planning for this process. Dr. Zolli has been an intricate part of that. Without their help, we wouldn't have successful services in the future, so appreciate their insights. We look forward to watching the exciting progress take place over the next several months as this medical plaza shapes up. And again, we look forward to opening the doors in summer of 2013. I'd like you to help me acknowledge our neighbors, new neighbors, Roger Claypool and First National Bank. They'll be providing some refreshments afterwards, so appreciate that. And especially your staff, I saw them and they're working. At this time, I'm pleased to introduce Sioux City Mayor Pro Tem John Fitch.
Thanks, Jeff. What a great day this is this morning. You know, my experience as a city council member, I've had the opportunity to meet a lot of really terrific people, but none finer than the people of the family of St. Luke's. Thank you guys very much for allowing me to stand up here with you today in this exciting event. Today truly is a milestone, not just for St. Luke's, but for this Sioux City as well. The city's participation in this project includes application for targeted jobs, which will aid St. Luke's employees, and that process will continue in the future as this project continues to develop. The taxpayers also have an interest in this project. This road out here, Sunnybrook Drive, is a $1.6 million extension, which includes stormwater detention facilities that will assist in this project as well as future development. There is no doubt in my mind that with what St. Luke's is doing here, there will be tremendous more interest in an area that already has gained a lot of interest from both retail and commercial development. I can see this area completely developing in the next 4 or 5 years. So thank you very much for your interest in what you're doing for Sioux City. Peter.
Thank you, John. I want to thank the rest of the council and Paul Eckert and Marty Doherty and their staff that helped us with the targeted jobs application and supported us in this project. We actually started up with some other land way up the hill many years ago and ended up down here in this spot, and they've helped us all the way along, so appreciate that support. I guess at this time I'd like to introduce Ellen Kaplan. Where's Ellen? Right here is our board chair, Dr. Jeff Solly from Sergeant Bluff Clinic, being supportive of this process and will help out at this clinic too. I guess we're going to turn some dirt.
That's important or not.